Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this tutorial I will give you an important setting that you need to turn on right now on your Android phone for easy identification of any unknown incoming calls on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following it to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone pad. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to unknown numbers identifications. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. What you need to do right here is to turn on this button. Under intelligent identification, report and identify unknown numbers for callings and messages. On this button called just like so. Having turned it on, then you have fully turned on any unknown number identification, and pop-up tags will automatically appear after answering an unknown number. This simply means that if a number is coming from a scammer, it's going to be written in the screen, just like what you see right here. It's going to written the scammer. If a call is coming from a business associate, but you have not saved their number on your phone before, it will write their tags right here, whether business manager or a plumber or electrician. So this feature here is a great feature that you need to turn on right now on your Android phone for easy identification of any unknown incoming calls number from your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.